Might be surprised how many people ignore a fungal infection until it becomes something serious. What starts as a small itch, a patch on the skin, or discomfort in a hidden area can quietly grow into a stubborn, painful condition that refuses to go away. And the truth is, severe fungal infections are more common than people think, especially in warm, humid environments. If you've ever dealt with one, you already know how frustrating it can be. The itching, the irritation, the embarrassment, and worst of all, the feeling that no matter what you try, it keeps coming back. So let's talk about what's really going on, and more importantly, how to treat it safely and effectively. Fungal infections are caused by tiny organisms that thrive in moist, warm places. That's why they often show up on the skin, feet, groin, nails, or even inside the body in more serious cases. Most of the time, mild infections are easy to treat, but when they become severe, it usually means one of three things. They've been ignored for too long, treated incorrectly, or the body's immune system is struggling to fight them off. Now, here's something a lot of people don't realize. Severe fungal infections don't just stay on the surface. They can spread, worsen, and even lead to complications if left untreated. Signs that an infection is becoming serious include intense itching, redness that keeps spreading, cracks in the skin, unusual discharge, pain, swelling, or areas that start to look darker or thicker than normal. And this is where many people make a mistake. They keep trying random home remedies or over-the-counter creams without understanding what they're dealing with. That can actually make things worse. So, what should you do instead? First, you need to accept this. If it's severe, it's no longer a try something and hope situation. You need proper treatment. That often means antifungal medications that are stronger and sometimes taken orally, not just applied on the skin. A healthcare professional can identify the exact type of fungus and give targeted treatment. That step alone can save you weeks or even months of frustration. Now, while medical treatment is important, there are also supportive steps you can take to speed up healing and prevent the infection from spreading. One of the biggest factors is moisture. Fungi love damp environments, so keeping the affected area clean and completely dry is non-negotiable. After bathing, don't rush. Dry the area properly, especially between toes or skin folds. If possible, wear loose, breathable clothing that allows air circulation. Tight, sweaty clothes are basically an invitation for fungi to grow. Another key step is hygiene. This might sound basic, but it makes a huge difference. Change clothes regularly, especially underwear and socks. Avoid sharing personal items like towels or shoes. And if the infection is on your feet, make sure your footwear is clean and dry. Now, let's talk about something people don't like to hear: consistency. Even when symptoms start improving, you cannot stop treatment too early. That's one of the main reasons fungal infections come back stronger. The surface may look better, but the fungus may still be alive underneath. Always complete the full course of treatment exactly as recommended. Here's a quick reality check. If a fungal infection keeps returning, there's usually an underlying reason. It could be excessive sweating, poor hygiene habits, a weakened immune system, or even conditions like diabetes. So instead of just treating the surface, it's important to look at the bigger picture. Prevention at this point becomes just as important as treatment. Simple habits can protect you long term. Keep your body dry, choose breathable fabrics, maintain good hygiene, and pay attention to early signs before they escalate. And one more thing, don't let embarrassment stop you from getting help. Fungal infections are incredibly common. There's nothing unusual or shameful about them. What matters is how quickly and properly you deal with them. At the end of the day, severe fungal infections are treatable, but only if you take them seriously. Ignoring them, guessing treatments, or stopping halfway only gives them more power to grow. So if you're dealing with one right now, take action. Get the right treatment, stay consistent, and support your body in healing properly. Because the sooner you handle it the right way, the sooner you get back to feeling comfortable, confident, and completely in control of your health again.